parsley is amazing and fantastic. All right, so what we're gonna do now is get a large portion of the parsley and put it into the pot. This is a very large portion of the parsley, guys, okay? Because I'm using a large cups. That's why I'm using the parsley, a large portion of parsley. Okay, next I'm going to let me get my little knife. Right, this is a knife. Next time I show you it. Very nice to cut things with. Lovely. All right. So, hope you guys. All right, nice one. So the parsley looking good inside of the pot. Get the spoon. All right. Things looking good so far. All right. Yeah. So we're going to put in the lemon. So I'll slice up a couple slices of lemon to put it straight inside of the water. All right, I'm using one medium-sized lemon. All right, yeah. That's the book right there. It's on Amazon, 50% off. Okay, guys. So basically, one large portion of parsley and one medium-sized lemon. Okay, all you're gonna have to do is put it into some hot water and slip it into the hot water for a couple of minutes, and you can also drink it after. Once it chill and cool for a little bit, you can drink this. So you want to drink it 1 in the morning on an empty stomach, and also in the evening, like 2 hours before you go to bed. Also, you can drink it for about 10 to 15 days to detox the body and to help you to reduce sugar in your system. All right, that's the good vibes. All right, so right here I have the lemon, which I just put in, one medium-sized lemon, and also the parsley. Beautiful recipe, very simple and very easy to make. Because there's a lot of people always say to me, Ricardo, your recipe them are very simple. Do they work? Yes, they work, because these are natural ingredients where you guys can use at home. Okay, and I know you guys will enjoy this recipe. Number one, they are very easy to get. Number two, they are not complicated. Okay, also you can grow your own parsley at home in your own garden. All right, and get yourself organic parsley to use the good vibes. So this looking good. Look at that, amazing. All right, you don't have to boil it like what I've been doing. All right, just because I'm doing a show, that's why I'm doing it this kind of way. So what you can do, you can just get all the ingredients, get a pan with hot water and sleep in it for a couple of minutes, and then drink the liquid. But just look at that. Very powerful recipe, help you to reduce that blood sugar out of your system. I'm telling you, 100% this works. All right, if you are suffering, if you're a diabetic person, my advice, drink parsley tea. Trust me. And green tea and apple cider vinegar. So basically with the apple cider vinegar, I change in my route. I'm drinking it also in the morning, and I'm drinking it for 14 days. I don't know if you guys are doing it, but I've been drinking it every day and every night. And tonight, I'm gonna show you one more time tonight. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it off the cooker. All right. It doesn't need to boil like what I've been doing. You can simply jar it. Okay, turn off the cooker. And remove this. Yes, all right guys, so this is it right here, okay? And I'm going to tell you this, you don't need to add sugar or any honey to it or any sweetener. Just drink it naturally as it is. All right, yeah, that's the best way to drink this one. Okay, now I keep talking about apple cider vinegar every night. We've been drinking it for 14 days, but not every night I do the video because I will keep repeating myself over and over with it. So I just allow you guys to do this step at home. Okay, right is. So this one, I'm not gonna put any lemon in it. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna drink it naturally as it is this evening. Apple cider vinegar. Make sure you are doing this at home. So what you want to do, get your apple cider vinegar and shake it up, okay? And once you shake it, guys, what you're gonna do is this: 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon. So this is a tablespoon into it. All right, excellent. That's what I've been doing every morning and every night for 14 days. But when I'm drinking like the parsley tea, I like to do this one also. Yeah, pour it in that water, okay, and that's it. Now you want to drink that every night for 14 days, okay, before you go to bed, and 1 in the morning on a empty stomach. Guys, the reason why I'm sharing this recipe with you tonight, because it works, okay? It can detox the body and it can help you cleanse the immune system. All right, yeah. So my advice for any one of you guys who are watching, please do this at home, okay? You might say to yourself, oh, I don't need to do that, I'm healthy. No, red flag. Okay guys, trust me, I used to say the same thing back in the days. Not until one time I went to the doctor and the doctor started to start, and I said, okay, I need to change my diet. Okay, but as I say, you can multitask a lot of things differently on a regular basic at home also. But make sure you're detoxing the body and cleansing the immune system. Okay, let's drink this. Yeah, this is really good. Wow, amazing. All right, beautiful one. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, very, very nice to drink. If you drink this, you don't need to make this. So you can make any one. Also, you can drink parsley tea for 14 days. I'd love to do that one. Parsley tea for 14 days. Right? Yeah. I'd love to do that one. All right? Yeah. Okay, now let's go back over here to the tea. Now, the tea recipe is one which is very effective and powerful. guys, for you also to make at home and enjoy it. Okay, don't look how you just lemon and leaf in the pot. Don't look at that. Okay. Also, it's a very long time I don't do high blood pressure tea. I need to kick off that one tomorrow night. No longer than tomorrow night. High blood pressure tea for the next probably about 15 days or 20 days we're going to be doing it for. Okay? Join me for free if you want to. It's up to you guys, okay? Alright, now what we're going to do is pour off this on an amazing cup of tea which we have just made. Alright, and it is simple. Very, very simple and very easy to make. All right, yeah. So just to keep you guys updated, and I don't want you guys think I'm just dragging out the show. No, I'm not dragging out it. I'm here same way, okay? But you know what I mean, that's me. When I'm doing it, I like to just keep, you know what I mean, a track of everything and what's going on. All right. So basically, we have the cup, and this is our parsley and lemon tea for tonight. Okay, now this is very good for the blood sugar and also very good for detoxing the kidney and detoxing the vein and detoxing the whole entire organ. All right, so a lot of people might have said, oh, Chef Ricardo, yeah, this is what I like, but you're not making it. You need to make it, guys. Okay, that's the book. Get yourself a copy on Amazon. You need to make it at home, and it's simple. Just lemon and parsley. 1 cup of water, large cup, a portion of parsley, 1 medium-sized lemon. Boil it off into some hot water, and this is what you got. Drink this for 14 days, morning and night, on an empty stomach, if better. All right, yeah. If you just came on, all right, guys, and you're saying you missed the show, don't worry. Lisa, Lisa, what's going better? All right, if you're just coming on and you not understand what's going on, it is parsley with lemon. Okay, guys, the parsley with the lemon is amazing and fantastic, and I would encourage you to do this at home. My advice for any one of you guys who are watching at the moment and feel like I would love to do something like this at home. Don't feel, just make it. Goes for it and make it, okay? All right, now, as I say, this is my book. It's on Amazon and 50% off. Go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose. You guys can support the progress, man. We keep pushing on, we're not giving up, okay? Worry about love and respect for you guys, okay? Now, with this beautiful cup of tea, as I say, 1 in the morning on an empty stomach is very good. Now, the beautiful thing about this, the rest of the ingredients, just pour some water on it and sleep it overnight till in the morning. In the morning, you can drink it. Okay, you will start definitely. All right, so you can drink it right at least 14 days straight. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. You do this like this, and then in the morning you drink the liquid. You do it in the morning, in the night you drink it before you go to bed for 14 days. Come back and tell me how you feel. Guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Bless upon yourself. My respect goes for you, and definitely I will be giving you more recipes. I did it raw. Yes, you can do it raw. That after, and then I drink it. Yes, I love parsley. Me too. parsley is brilliant in weight loss and detoxing.